Hello and welcome to Simply Natural. A few years ago, I was going through a rough time. The kind of time when everything feels heavy. And no matter what you do, nothing seems to change. One day, I walked outside and sat right here in my garden, just like I'm doing right now. At first, I wasn't really paying attention. My mind was racing. But then I noticed something. A tiny plant. It was pushing through a crack in the ground. It wasn't planted there. It had no perfect soil. No one watered it, yet it grew. It didn't fight the obstacles in its way. It simply found a path around them. That moment hit me hard. Nature doesn't resist, it adapts. It keeps going, and maybe that is exactly what we're meant to do too. So, if you're struggling with something right now, remember the little plant, the one I just talked about. You don't have to force things, you don't have to fight the impossible. Just keep growing. Life has a way of making room for those who refuse to give up. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye for now.